Hello everyone, today I am reviewing Keychron Q7 70% keyboard. Let's open the box. User manual, you can check it out. This is another important information I want to explain to you. This key for Windows user, so the Keychron you can use Windows and the Mac. So this for the Windows user key. This is the Type C. Didn't finish. Let's open the box. This is our keyboard. This is for removing key. This is removing switch. This is screwdriver. If you want to open here, you can use it. They sent these tools too. And this is the extra. This is the extra for if you want to make high. They already put, but if they lose or something 7, you can put it. First thing I noticed that when I pick up, it was build quality. This keyboard has a full aluminum body and it feels very solid and premium on the desk. It is definitely heavier than a typical keyboard, which helps to stay one place while typing. It's so heavy. It's working for Mac and Windows. Can you see? If you are a Windows user, choose Windows. If you are a Mac user, choose the Mac. Okay. And this key for the Windows user, look at. You can put it this key from there. They put it for that. This is the Gateron G Pro Blue switch. These are clicky switches. If you enjoy hearing and feeling each key press, you will probably like them. Typing on this keyboard feels very satisfying. It feels so good. Now I want to show you how to remove the key. These tools for the removing key. Okay, put it like that and remove. Look, it's easy. After that, you can put it. Again, I'm going to show you. Put it like that and remove. And this is the switch. My favorite thing is the hot-swappable design. If you want to try different switch later, you can easily replace them. This is great for beginners who want to start customizing their keyboard. Now I want to show you how to remove the switch. First, remove the key. Now I want to show you how to remove switch. Put here. Look, it's removed. Then you can put it. Please be gentle. Now I put it back and put it this one. If you want to change switch, you can switch easily. The keyboard also has QMK and VIA software, which is lets the remap case, create shortcuts and customize the keyboard exactly how you want. Even if you are a new custom keyboard, it's nice to have those options available. Change easily your key from that website. Go this one, okay, then click the configure, okay. For example, I want to change A with S. Look, click the A. You see flashing. Put it here. Now I want to put here, for example, C. Click the C. Look, C. And let me check. Here. Look at, now I am going to type the A. Look at A. But it's right. C. It's so easy. So you can remap your keyboard from that side. Also, I showed before, you can change that key with this tool. You can arrange your keyboard however you want. Another thing is I noticed that the typing sound. The keyboard sounds clean and comfortable right out the box. Keyboard has a PBT keycaps. They feel strong and last long time. I also like the RGB lights. They look good and help me see keys at night in our dark room. So I'm going to show you the lights. You want to change light effect FN1 and Q. FN1 and Q. It's changing the light effect. Look. FN1 and Q. FN1 and Q. FN1 and Q. Look, it's changing. Oh, it's really good. Look. There are many different light effects. Want to increase backlight brightness, FN and W. Okay. If you want to turn on or off the light, FN and tab. Look. You want to decrease the backlight brightness, FNS. And W increase. You want to increase the light speed, FNT. FNT. Light speed is increasing. If you want to decrease, FN1G. If you are looking for a mechanical keyboard that feels solid, sounds great, and gives you a lot of customization option, the Keychron Q7 is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching.